Hi everyone, welcome to Notescraft. Today we embark on a literary journey, exploring the nuances of William Faulkner's masterpiece, Light in August. A titan in the world of literature, Faulkner's work eloquently captures the essence of the Southern Gothic genre. Light in August is no exception, with its compelling characters, intricate plot, and profound themes. It's a novel that's captivated readers for decades and continues to do so. So, buckle up and dive with me into the enthralling world of Light in August. At the heart of Light in August are characters who are as complex as they are intriguing. Let's delve into the intricate world of Joe Christmas, Lena Grove, and Gale Hightower. Joe Christmas, an enigmatic figure with a mysterious past, is the novel's central character. His racial ambiguity and the uncertainty of his identity form the backbone of his character arc. Christmas is a man caught in a tug-of-war between two worlds, neither of which he quite fits into. His journey, fraught with internal conflicts and external animosity, is a poignant exploration of identity, belonging, and the destructive power of societal norms. Next, we meet Lena Grove, a young pregnant woman on a quest to find the father of her unborn child. She embodies innocence and unwavering hope, even in the face of adversity. Her journey is less about the destination and more about the process of self-discovery and resilience. Lena's serene acceptance of her circumstances contrasts sharply with Christmas's internal turmoil, creating a fascinating dichotomy in the narrative. Gale Hightower, a disgraced former minister, serves as another pivotal character. He is haunted by his past and obsessed with his grandfather's Civil War exploits. This fixation prevents him from living in the present and leads to his isolation. Hightower's life is a testament to the damaging effects of living in the past and the inability to let go. The plot of Light in August is a complex weave of these characters' lives, their struggles, and their search for identity and redemption. It unfolds against the backdrop of the American South, steeped in racial tension and religious fervor. The narrative, punctuated by flashbacks, offers a profound commentary on the human condition, societal norms, and the weight of the past. In essence, Light in August is a rich tapestry of diverse characters, each with their own trials and tribulations. Their lives intersect in a small southern town, setting in motion a series of events that expose the harsh realities of the human experience. These characters and their intertwined fates form the crux of Light in August. Light in August is not just a story, it is a canvas painted with themes that continue to resonate today. Let's delve into these layers of meaning and see how they shape the narrative and character arcs. First off, the theme of racial identity is prominent throughout the novel. Faulkner explores this complex issue through the character of Joe Christmas, who is of ambiguous racial heritage. This ambiguity fuels his struggle with identity, leading him on a journey filled with internal conflict and external persecution. Faulkner uses this theme to question societal notions of race, illustrating how such constructs can distort one's sense of self and their interactions with the world. Next, we have the theme of isolation that remarkably intertwines with racial identity. Many characters in the novel, like Joe Christmas and Lena Grove, experience isolation, either physically, emotionally, or both. This isolation often stems from societal norms and expectations, particularly those related to race and gender. Through this, Faulkner highlights the harsh realities of a society that alienates individuals who do not conform to its rigid structures. Now let's not forget the Southern Gothic genre, which is a significant theme in itself. This genre, characterized by its focus on the grotesque, the macabre, and the fantastic, is skillfully deployed by Faulkner to portray the South. The decaying plantations, the haunted landscapes, and the deeply flawed characters all contribute to this Southern Gothic atmosphere. This genre serves as a backdrop against which Faulkner explores the darker aspects of Southern life, including its rigid social hierarchies, its racial tensions, and its moral ambiguities. These themes are not just isolated elements. They are interwoven in a manner that each theme amplifies the other, creating a rich tapestry of human experience and societal critique. Faulkner's keen eye for detail and his profound understanding of the human condition enable him to infuse these themes into the very fabric of the narrative. Through these themes, Faulkner paints a vivid picture of the South and its complex socio-cultural dynamics. Faulkner's distinctive writing style is a character in itself in Light in August. The novel's narrative structure is uniquely Faulknerian, complex, multi-layered, and filled with intricate details that demand the reader's attention. Faulkner doesn't just tell a story. He paints a vivid picture, immersing us in a world that feels real, tangible, and deeply evocative. This richly detailed world is brought to life through Faulkner's use of symbolism. He uses everyday objects, characters, and even the weather to mirror the emotional states of his characters, adding depth and nuance to his narrative. For instance, the recurring image of the burning house symbolizes the destructive power of hatred and prejudice, a theme that resonates throughout the novel. Faulkner's use of imagery is equally compelling. His descriptions are vivid and visceral, painting a picture of the South that is both beautiful and haunting. Whether it's the oppressive heat of a summer's day or the eerie silence of a deserted town, Faulkner's imagery adds a tangible layer to the emotional landscape of the novel. What sets Faulkner apart, however, is his ability to bring the Southern Gothic genre to life. His depiction of the South is not just a backdrop for his narrative, but a character in its own right. It is a land of contradiction, of beauty and decay, of tradition and change, of love and hatred. This dichotomy is reflected in his characters, who are often caught in the tension between the old and the new, the known and the unknown. These elements, Faulkner's unique narrative structure, his use of symbolism and imagery, and his evocative portrayal of the Southern Gothic, combine to create a novel that is as complex as it is compelling. It's a novel that invites us to look beyond the surface, to dig deeper, to question, and to reflect. The genius of Faulkner's writing lies in his ability to weave a rich tapestry of symbols and themes, making Light in August a timeless classic. As we wrap up our exploration of Light in August, let's revisit its enduring appeal. We've journeyed through the labyrinthine plot, meeting characters that embody the complexities of the human condition. We've delved into the major themes of identity, isolation, and the human spirit's resilience. These elements, coupled with Faulkner's distinctive writing style, make this novel a masterful piece of literature. Let's not forget the characters, Joe Christmas, Lena Grove, and the others, who have become our companions in this exploration. Their struggles, their triumphs, and their humanity have left a lasting impression on us. We've also dissected the major themes of the novel, the quest for identity, the harsh reality of isolation, and how the human spirit can endure against the odds. These themes, as relevant today as they were when Faulkner penned them, resonate deeply with us. Faulkner's writing style, with its intricate narrative structure and symbolic imagery, has been a joy to unravel. His use of the Southern Gothic genre to explore universal human experiences is nothing short of brilliant. In essence, Light in August remains a relevant and influential piece of literature because it shines a light on the human condition. Its characters, themes, and writing style are as compelling today as they were when the novel was first published. Thank you for watching. Please like and share our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed our content, share your thoughts on what you'd like to see next in the comments down below.